Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on torchlight without unlocking your phone. You can directly turn on torchlight without unlocking your phone. I locked my phone, and now to unlock my phone, I need to enter my pattern. Okay, but here itself I can turn on this torchlight. How? We will see it. First of all, go to settings. Go to settings. Then go to lock screen. Then here click on edit lock screen option, and here click on this left shortcut or right shortcut. Okay, I click on this left shortcut and I click on now torch. Okay, that is I would like to replace left shortcut call button to torch button. Okay, now click on done. Now go to home screen and put lock in your phone. Now to unlock my phone, I need again my pattern, but here in the locked screen itself I can directly turn on torch if I swipe this torch icon here. Okay, just swipe up here and torchlight will be turned on. See here. So if you again swipe up here, torchlight will be turned off. So in this way you can easily set directly to open torch. Okay, without locking into your phone, anyone can use torchlight in case of emergency. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.